5 brilliant ways to remove cockroaches from your kitchen. How to get rid of cockroaches naturally. Kitchen is the most common place where cockroaches find their home, and it is difficult to kick them out. They can poison your food as they carry diseases causing germs as well as bacteria that infect your food and may harm your health. Here a list of pest control ideas to remove cockroaches from kitchen and rest of your house. Number 1 is baking soda and sugar. This is the most effective way to prevent cockroaches coming into your kitchen. Mix equal parts of baking soda with equal proportions of sugar. Sprinkle the mixtures in the areas where you have seen roaches. Number 2 is silica aerogel and sugar. Silica aerogel is an effective ingredient to get rid of cockroaches. Mix silica aerogel and sugar in 3:1 ratio. Sprinkle this mix around the cockroaches infested places. Repeat the process for best results. Number 3 is peppermint oil. Mix 10 drops of peppermint oil with 25 milliliter of water. Mix this to thoroughly and spray around cockroaches infested areas. Repeat the process for immediate results. Number 4 is pepper, onion and garlic. Prepare a solution of pepper powder, onion paste and garlic and then mix it in 1 liter water. Sprinkle the solution around the infested places. The smell of the mixture will keep them away. Number 5 is neem leaves. Make a paste using handful of neem leaves and water. Now filter the water and pour this liquid into a spray bottle. Spray the mixture in the infested areas at night.